Hey folks, fellow explorers and adrenaline junkies, imagine this. The rush of crisp mountain air whipping past you, your pulse racing like a wildfire, and your trusty camera not just tagging along, but turning every heartbeat into a masterpiece. Shots so crisp they cut through the haze, shadows blooming with impossible warmth, and power that stretches longer than your wildest tales. Sound like a fever dream? Hold on tight, because the DJI Osmo Action 6 has just leaked, and it's primed to rewrite the rules of the ride. Whispers are exploding across forums, video drops, and back-channel buzz. If you're glued to your GoPro or ride or die with DJI, this is the spark you've been waiting for. We're diving headfirst into the rumors, the tech that could change everything, and the real-life magic that'll have you rethinking your kit. Oh! And hey, what's got you most hyped about these leaks? The low-light wizardry or that endless battery? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Flash back for a second. DJI crashed the Action Cam party in 2019 as the scrappy challenger. Then the Action 4 swung hard with a sensor that redefined detail. Fast forward to last year's Action 5 Pro. 40-megapixel snapshots that stopped you in your tracks for hours of juice on a single charge, and stabilization so smooth it felt like a director's sleight of hand. Now, the Action 6 is circling for takeoff, with whispers of a drop on October 24th. Pre-orders firing up immediately, and shelves stocked by early November, all for a starting tag of about $329. That's barely a night out, but it'll bankroll adventures that echo for years. Let's peel back the layers on what makes this thing a legend in waiting. At its core pulses a groundbreaking 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensor, a full 60% beefier than the Action 5's, devouring dim scenes like they're spotlit stages. Envision threading through the fog-shrouded trails of the Pacific Northwest at first light. Every dew-kissed leaf and hidden path exploding in vivid, electric hues. Then there's a variable aperture, sliding seamlessly from f/2.0 to f/4.0, sharpening your vision whether you're baking under a desert blaze or chasing whispers in the shade. Picture locking onto the sun-dipped rims of the Grand Canyon at dusk. Exposure nailed, drama dialed to 11, all without breaking a sweat. When it comes to video, this camera doesn't just capture, it conjures epics. We're talking 8K at 30 frames per second, laced with HDR and ProRes for footage that begs for the edit bay's glow-up. Think festival-ready reels straight from your grip. Dial it to 5.3K at 60 frames per second for buttery smooth chases, like slicing through fresh powder in the aspens without a single hitch. Or crank to 4K at 120 frames per second to stretch those heart-stopping moments into poetry, a mid-jump twist suspended in air, or the thunderous curl of a Maui breaker held forever in crystal time. It's less a recorder and more a pocket-sized storyteller, spinning raw chaos into scenes that linger. Power-wise, it's holding steady at up to 4 hours, impressive for a sensor that's twice as thirsty. Pulling off feats that border on sorcery, so you won't fade out halfway through that coastal cruiser along the Pacific Highway. And with hot swappable packs, you're golden from dawn salutes in Joshua Tree to starlit stories around the fire. No pauses in the plot. Stabilization? Enter Rocksteady 4.0 with zero shake tech, now supercharged by AI that anticipates every jolt. Handheld treks through Yellowstone's wild heart stay impossibly steady. Helmet-mounted spins over Sedona's red rock flow like silk. Active Track 5.0 seals the deal, zeroing in on your little one's debut snow carve amid the lodge line frenzy. No frantic trims in post, just unfiltered triumph. The build whispers sophistication, a leaner silhouette hiding clever sensors, channeling that clean, understated edge. Twin OLED displays punch brighter than before, letting you compose family floats down to Colorado with the eye of a seasoned shooter. Dive ready to 20 meters straight from the box. Explore the Keys coral veins without a housing in sight. And the game changer? Wrist-based command via smartwatch. Flick to rotate while you're locked in a barrel wave. Pure liberation. So, how does it measure up to the GoPro Hero 13 Black? The reigning champ? GoPro still claims a throne in harsh midday glare, with 5.3K squeezing out extra bite in the brightness and boot times that shave off seconds. But DJI? It reigns after dark. That massive sensor brews richer tones, tames noise like a whisper, perfect for neon streak spins through NYC's canyons or the ethereal dance of Alaskan lights. Battery life? DJI laps the field at double GoPro's 2-hour sprint. Depth rating hits 20 meters natively, no add-ons required, while GoPro demands the extras. Audio's a breeze too. Any USB-C mic slots right in for DJI. Less fuss than GoPro's finicky setup. And for pros eyeing ProRes, the shift is on, ditching subscriptions for a straight-up bang for buck. What does all this whisper to you? The storyteller behind the lens. If you're the family road tripper chronicling that Yellowstone Odyssey from the RV Dash, this rig's variable aperture masters the slot canyon's moody play, while 120 frames per second freezes every gleeful stumble. Weekend shredders tearing up Colorado single track, chest mounted for aperture tweaks in dappled light and slow-mo glory on the gnarliest drops. Florida shorelines calling. Active track shadows the kids' castle builds without missing a grain, that 4-hour endurance outlasting the heat and the hangry hours. Through hikers on the Pacific Crest, built-in GPS logs your epic without the bulk. Dusky urban prowls in Chicago's back alleys, raw edge morphs into moody masterpieces. For creators stacking the feed, 8K HDR feeds your suite like fine wine. Layer in drone cutaways, and suddenly your clips are cash cows. But wait! The leaks hint at deeper layers. Whispers of onboard AI for instant highlight reels. Piecing your day's fire before the embers cool. Magnetic docks for wireless top-ups. DJI is not playing checkers. They're mapping the board. A few catches, sure. The $329 entry point climbs with bundles toward $400. Optical zooms hinted but reined in. And while it's saltwater toughened tests, those glossy promo clips scream Black Friday siren. Sync it with your Pocket 3 for hybrid wizardry, and your channel's a launch pad. Is it time to trade in that Hero 13? If shadows swallow your shots or batteries betray you mid-quest, absolutely. Jump ship. Pure daylight obsessives? Hold for the dust to settle. For the rest of us, story hunters at heart, this feels like the turning point. Circle October 24th on your calendar. Pre-order pings are inbound. Spill it in the comments. Team GoPro or DJI all the way? And what's the dream clip you'd nail with the Action 6? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.